Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by placing the image into your Word document and selecting it. That immediately reveals the Picture Format tab. Once the Remove Background button is visible, click it to launch the background editor. Word will auto-detect a provisional foreground. You need this early because the tool defines a magenta mask showing removed areas. Make sure to zoom or enlarge the image so you can see the magenta edges. This saves time when refining the selection in the next step. Once the magenta mask appears, drag the selection handles to encompass the entire subject. This tells Word what to keep. Then use mark areas to keep for lost subject parts and mark areas to remove for stray background bits. You can click repeatedly to add strokes. Word refines live. Also, toggle between fit and zoomed view to inspect fine edges. This gives you control over hair, irregular borders, and overlapping objects so the final crop looks natural. When the selection is correct, click Keep Changes to apply the transparent background inside Word. The magenta mask disappears and the image shows only the subject. If you need a standalone file with transparency, right-click the image, save as picture, choose PNG and confirm. If edges appear rough, press Ctrl+Z, reopen Remove Background, and refine your mark area's strokes. Small, targeted strokes work better than large ones because they let Word recalculate edge detection more accurately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.